Want to rename files in Google Drive? Giving your files clear and descriptive names makes them much easier to organize and find later. In this guide, I'll show you how to rename files in Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all of your stored files and folders. Next, browse through your drive or use the search bar at the top to find the file you want to rename. Once you've located it, click the file to select it. Now right-click the file and choose Rename. A dialog box will appear showing the current file name. This allows you to quickly replace the existing name with a new one. Type the new name for your file, making it clear and descriptive. After you've finished, click OK or press Enter to save the change. The file name will be updated immediately without changing the file's contents. Finally, check the file list to confirm the updated name appears correctly. If needed, you can rename the file again at any time using the same steps. And that's how to rename files in Google Drive. Using meaningful file names helps keep your drive organized and makes it easier to locate documents whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.